Look what just arrived. Well, look what's sitting out front of the caravan. This is cool. I'm just gonna put my jandals on. So, for those who are interested, the back of a compressor fridge, a whole lot less stuff. Yay, that is just gonna be so much simpler. Sorry about the shadows. It's obviously a wee drain hose. So this is a swap out. We're in our Silverline. Exactly the same size. Screw holes, everything all in the same, so it's just a basic swap out. But we will now be on 12-volt compressor. Yay, this is taking a while to come. And Kevin's just preparing a couple of things he needs. He has created a long Anderson plug which will go up the top and into the fridge. It's all ready to go, so luckily he's done all of that cable work and that's all been connected into the position. I believe it's in there. That's all done, so we're ready to go. It has been great, but it'll be good to have our fridge back. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that's efficient. You can see it in the video. Wow. So that's cooling way faster than your three-way. So yeah, once these are in and the caps are on, we'll put our temp gauge in there, and once it's at the right temp, we can start swapping everything out. So yeah, the door came swinging the other way, which means it can bash up against here. So we've swapped it out so it's swinging towards the bedroom. The fridge has run overnight and is now settled, and it's ready to empty the brass 9 key. And like normal, Kevin and I end up butting heads and ideas on how to get things done, and of course he likes to give his input. Very efficient Berkey.
This is what I've got to put up with. Female logic.
Don't listen to him. It's early in the morning, and when he hasn't eaten, of course he's hanging. So this is the container I use for all of my glass bottles, as much as I can fit anyways, because if you're a newbie, as we did, and travelled without this, we then ended up with bottles tipped over in the fridge once we got to location. So this just keeps everything protected and upright, which is great. And avoids putting them in the door, because if it's heavy in the door and it bounces around, you can also crack your supports on the side. So also, have you seen one of these? They slide over the tray. I'll show you how it goes in. I think I bought this from Kmart, and I put in our feta cheese, blue cheese, packets of ham or meat, luncheon, that sort of thing that we might have, the lower stuff, and then we can just slide it out. So we've created a second shelf. So I'll put this one in this one.
Pop the thermometer out the way.
And there's our extra drawer. Brilliant. Now let's get the freezer filled. Finally, I get some help. Now it's time to get rid of the brass monkey, clean it up, and back into storage. You gonna say goodbye to the brass monkey? for joining us, and we'd love you to subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button. If you haven't already, join us on Facebook and Insta. See you next time.